Step into the Lincoln 2014 MKZ. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are: technology package included: auto high beams, adaptive cruise control, collision warning with brake support, rain sensing wipers, forward sensing system, active park assist, lane keeping system. Engine 2.0L EcoBoost GTDI 1.4 Sao Tolman Principe Dobras. Wheels 19-inch polished aluminum with painted pockets, turbocharged, front-wheel drive, active suspension, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.